All right, today I am going to talk you through how to create a pie chart and a bar chart based upon our relative frequency distribution table that we created in Microsoft Excel. So the first thing that you want to do once you have your data entered in a table format is select the cells that you would like represented in your chart or graph. So we'll select cells A1 through B8. Then go to Insert, find the chart or graph that you'd like. We'd like a pie chart to start, so we'll select the most basic option. You can see that my menu changed up at the top, and so it automatically went to the Design tab. If that doesn't automatically happen, you just select that tab as your chart is also selected. We would like to select an option that includes the percentages. So you can see here that the percentages are actually written into the pie chart. The next thing is to rename the graph because otherwise the information is pretty useless. So we'll name it Robbery Locations in America based on the information in the question. So right now it's overlapping my frequency distribution table. So I'm going to move that out of the way and below the frequency table. And that's the reason I put that below. You can see if I press Control P to print, it shows up nicely on the page. If I had moved it off the page or off to the right, it wouldn't have fit. You can see the guideline dashed in gray. That would be outside of my printing area. So I moved it below. Next, we can, again, select our information, go to Insert. This time we want a bar chart. So you can see there's a couple different options. We'll select the one that says column or bar chart, and then the most basic. And then again, we have all these different choices. And we can actually change the color scheme if we'd like. We can go over here to change colors, can select all kinds of different options. And of course, don't forget to rename. And then finally, move that chart below, again, so that it shows up nicely. Oh, you can see here, this is a common mistake. I still had my bar chart highlighted when I press Control P, which means it only prints that graph, which is nice. It comes in handy, but it's not what we want for this assignment. So make sure you select a random cell before printing. And you can see I have my name on here as well in a text box. To do that, you again go to your Insert menu, select text box, and click and drag to create that text box. I'm going to delete that since I already have it in the right spot.